Has anyone out there been late for work? Anybody? I know y'all are out there. If you've been late to work and you still want to go ahead and look decent, go ahead and keep watching this video. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Virginia, and why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all the new videos that I post, and also give this video a thumbs up as well. So like the title says, this is going to be a in a rush makeup tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna prime my face with this IT Cosmetics oil-free primer. Focus on my T-zone, a little bit around the nose, and then my chin. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my brows. I know in my last video I said that I combined my brow products with a pencil and brow powder, but when I'm in a hurry I don't have time to do all of that, so I'll just stick with my brow pencil. I'm going to be using this NYX one right here. I'm just going to do this, shape my brows. How's y'all's weeks been? How has your week been? Yay, nay, so? Mine's okay. On Monday, I helped my parents in the yard. Dad was mowing, me and my mom. We were just trimming bushes and things like that. It was a hot day too. It's like you get like a wind. Like there's like a nice breeze, but then like the middle of the day it was just hot. So we all just took a break. And then just continue for maybe like 15, maybe 30 more minutes, and we just called it a day. I am gonna go ahead with concealer. I'm not gonna put any foundation. Sometimes if I'm running late, all I really have time for is just like cover the spots, blend it in, maybe highlight like my T-zone under my eyes to make me a bit more awake. But that's pretty much it. I don't put any foundation on. So I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD in the shade 31.5. So I'm just going to put this guy a little bit underneath my eye, a little bit on my T-zone, and then on these spots right here where I want to cover it up. Then I'm just going to take a brush, blend this all out there to like cover the redness. Actually, I'm going to use my finger for my under eye. I've done this look many times, especially when I open at work. I remember there was this one time that there was a bad rainstorm and I had to open in the morning, and then I was stuck in traffic because all the power was out heading to work, so I had to take different routes and things like that, and I was like stressed out, having anxiety, and I was like, okay, I need to look decent, so I just threw a concealer on, a little bit of blush, brows, and a lip, and just call it a day. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put a little bit more around my nose, just because I tend to get red there. You want to put the concealer wherever you have some redness or maybe some dark spots on your face. You can, and then under your eyes as well. Like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a cream blush. So I'm going to be using my Holy Grail Milk Cosmetics one. And I'm just going to actually, I'm going to stipple that onto the face actually. And then just blend that in my cheeks. I'm going to bring it up my temples just a bit. Bring some color back to the life, but make it like natural. Sometimes I'll put like a tinted moisturizer on too, just to even out the skin tone a bit more, versus just like a concealer. A little bit on my nose right there. Just blend out right here my cheekbone, like so. And then I'm going to take a cream highlighter. This one's by Nature's Cartel. I got it as a sample in my Ipsy Glam bag. So I'm actually just gonna warm it up on my ring finger and just place it on the high points of my cheeks. Whoa, like so. A little bit on the brow. A little bit on the nose, down the nose, a little bit on my cupid's bow, just to accentuate that pout, make it a little bit more fuller looking. So I kind of have like a healthy, glowy kind of skin going on, which I really like. So that's that. And then I'm actually gonna go ahead and take my translucent powder, and I'm just gonna set where I put my concealer, where I don't want it to crease during the day. So I'm actually just gonna put it underneath my eyes. Not a lot, just a little bit. A little bit around the nose. And my chin. And then my forehead, just a little bit on my forehead. Take my brow gel and then fluff up these brows. Make them stay in place, but it's tinted in case I miss any spots when I was doing my filling in my brows. Go ahead and do that. And add just a bit more blush. Like so. Blend that out. As you can tell, I didn't put any bronzer just because I want it to be as fresh face as possible. And the blush adds that color back into my face. And whatever is left on my brush of blush, I'm just gonna put just a little bit on my temple, around my face. So it's still bright, making me look a little bit awake underneath my eyes, but it gives me a nice flush of color, like I just ran or something. So that's that. And sometimes what I like to do, I'll put some bronzer on my crease just to give it some depth. Take any bronzer you like. I'm just going to use my Hoola bronzer. And if you haven't watched my last video, go ahead and do so. But my last video, I was talking about how I had those Asian lashes where they just grow straight down, and so they're a bit hard to curl. Usually I call this like I'm done, I'm out the door, I have some color on my face. Sometimes I'll just skip my mascara and just go ahead and go. If I have a little bit of extra time, maybe I'll put on like those Demi Wispy Ardell lashes just to make my eyes a bit more awake, but honestly, as long as I have my concealer covering the spots that I want to cover, a little bit of blush, I call it a day. But I'm just gonna curl my lashes a little bit. Do y'all's lashes have a hard time holding mascara? Like a curl and mascara? If so, let me know, because I want to know like what you use. Let me know in the comments below, like hashtag best mascara. I like a formula that's not too wet but not too dry, just something in the middle. So I know you can't tell, but I did put I do have mascara, and I did curl my lashes if you can see it. So mascara is on, and now I'm just gonna put on a lip. Usually I just put like chapstick or like a lip gloss, but sometimes like right now I'm gonna go ahead and use this lip stain. It's from The Balm, so it's not meant to be like a full coverage type of lip product. I just supposed to kind of give you just, it's a stain, so it's just gonna wear off throughout the day, but it's gonna wear off like nicely. I was just gonna give you a little color, which I really like. I'm gonna actually not set like my cheeks or my highlight or anything. I'm gonna just keep it dewy, but if you want to go ahead and set it, by all means go ahead. But I just, of course, just set under my eyes and this concealer right here where I put my, where I want to cover my spots. I'm just go ahead and reapply my highlight just a little bit. Alright, you guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's very natural. It's natural. It's not too overboard. I think it's it's an easy look that anybody can achieve. I know we've had those days where we didn't hear our alarm, or we just want to sleep in a few more minutes, or if you have a meeting, you're running late, but you still want to look put together. So I hope this is a doable look for you, and if you do recreate this look, tag me in your photo. I want to see it. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be up to date on all the new videos that I post. And also please give this video a thumbs up as well. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.